Okay, let's talk about adding general content. And by general content, I mean creating pages and filling it out. And what we can do from the home page, obviously, is pick what section we want it to go in. Is it going to go in one of these boxes that scrolls through right here? Is it going to go in one of these sections that we can click on right here? Or is it going to go in one of these down here? Pretty easy to do. But first, we need to determine whether you're going to make a page or you're going to make a post. I know that could be confusing, but it's two different things. Post typically is reserved for blogs. Since this is kind of built on a blog platform, we've tied it in, so it's kind of using some things from a blog, even though it's not necessarily a blog. Okay, now a page is exactly that, just like any other page. It's not a blog, it's a page. Now, if we come through here, and for instance, I believe it may be the show, this is an actual page. Okay, this is not a blog. So if you wanted to follow this format, we would want to set up a page. All right, I hope that makes sense. But this format is actually borrowing the video in here. All right, and the reason I bring that up is a page is going to allow you to pop in this video. Very important. A post is going to allow you to pop in an image. All right, so let's come back and let's just go ahead and add something that's just an image. No video, just an image, and let's go from there. Once I'm in the back end, I'm going to go to posts because pages allows for videos. Posts, we are not doing videos. Try to remember that. Let's go ahead and click add new. Let's see, I'm going to do, let me see, Caterer's Corner. Okay, this is a section you have not given me text for yet, so you can come back into here as you like and drop in the proper text. So for now, I'm just going to drop in some dummy text. All right. Good to go on that angle. Now what we need is an image. So we want an image to show up at this top section right here. Right here there's a video in this section. Ignore the sample. I'm just kind of showing you where it's going to go at. So to add an image to the top of Caterer's Corner, what we want to do is come down to Set Featured Image. Click this. And now what I can do is either pull from my computer or actually I can pull from the media library. And the media library is anything you've uploaded to the back end of WordPress over the course and life of your website. So if I click this, I'm going to see a bunch of little pictures in here. So I'm actually going to pull one I've already uploaded. I'm going to click Show. And if I scroll down, I'll see right here, Use as Featured Image. Click it. X out. And now I can see that it's there. Now, very important, once you've done that, there's going to be a section right in the middle. You'll see it says Add Image Banner. That's letting us know that, hey, we want to put that image up top. Go ahead and click it. If not, nothing's going to show up. Okay, let's go ahead and publish. Alright, so now we've got that saved, and now what we can actually do is view this. We can see what it looks like. So if I click View Post, I'll get a new page pop up, and there we are. There's our picture, there's the text I've added, and there's little comments if you want to have comments or not. If you don't, very easy, scroll down, and you'll see this section called Discussion, uncheck. Trackbacks and pingbacks, basically if anybody ever comments about your blog, they can link back to you or about your site. If you care about SEO, I would leave it. If anybody ever mentions you, you're notified and it links directly back and forth. So it's great for SEO. So now I've unchecked that. If I update and I come back, now the comments box is gone. Oh, sorry, wrong page. Comments box is now gone. Okay? Another fun thing we can do is actually drop an image in here. So maybe we want to put an image in the text and do a wraparound. Pretty easy to do. This little icon right here says Add Media. Click it. I can pull from my computer as I've shown before, or I can pull from Media Library. I'll go ahead and just do that to be quick and easy. Media Library. I'm going to do, let's see, this post is thumb 1. Actually, that's not big enough. Let me do the restaurant row so I can show you something else while we're here. Okay, now if we scroll down, we're going to see a couple different things. Before, we actually used Use as Featured Image. We're not doing that. We're actually inserting in the post. So that's what we want to click on. Before you do that, we're going to see we can actually adjust sizes and alignment. So right now it's actually aligned left, and we'll see it's checked. We can do center, we can do right, or no alignment whatsoever. I'm going to go ahead and do right, and I'm going to choose a size of medium, just for fun. And once we're set, insert in the post, there's the image, we'll see it's wrapped around, and we'll go ahead and update. If I come back, there we are. I got an updated picture, we got the cute little frame around it, and we're all set with that. Now, back to what we originally talked about was how are we adding that to one of these sections. So what I want to do is actually add it to this carousel right here, right below the banner, this section right here. If I come back to it and I scroll all the way down, I got this box that says Show on Homepage. And the very top one says Show in Homepage Carousel. Okay, so I'll check that. Update. Let's go ahead and refresh, see what's going on. There we are, Caterer's Corner. And now the scrolling is actually working where you can see the other ones that are in here. So you can actually add as many as you want into this particular section, whether that's 2, 3, 5, 10, 20. Now this, as of right now, defaults to show the most recent first. So if you ever want to order that, order it. It works just like I showed you with the slider, with ordering the slider, the banner, the main banner. You have to change the position of it. So right now it shows 0. So if I change this number to 1 or 2 or 3, it's going to go ahead and put it in that order. So you can actually arrange how it's going to show up. Okay, now the next we'll see is that this is the carousel, is that we have this section here and the bottom section. I'm actually going to skip this one and come back to it because we're actually changing this at the time. But anyways, let's say we want to have it in one of these two boxes right here. Right now at the time of this, you'll see it says Editable Box Title 1, Editable Box 2 title. I'll come back to that. But for right now, how do we get it to show up here? In the back end, same place on the Show on Homepage. We want it to show up here. What we need to do is check, and you'll see the title right here, Show on Homepage, Editable Box 1 title. Obviously, whatever you name the box is not going to show here, so you're going to have to remember that. But anyways, if I check this, it's going to show up here, okay? But what we notice is we have a warning. A page or post is already selected for this box, meaning you need to remove it so it'll show up there. So pretty simple. We want to change out boxes. What I'll do is remove it. By clicking this, you can uncheck it and then make sure that this one is checked back. So go ahead and click it. Here's the post, what you got cooking. So if we look, what you got cooking right here. I'll just scroll on down, uncheck it, update. Come back to where I originally was, update, excuse me, refresh, I'm sorry. And now we'll see that this warning is gone. So I can check this, I can update. Man, there we go. Caterer's, oh, corn, I guess, I gotta fix that, huh? Anyways, that'll do it for this one. This video is running particularly long, but that is the gist of adding these two sections. Right now, we're working on changing how these two work, so I didn't want to include this in this particular video. Thanks.